Hi everyone, welcome to Leading Experts. I'm your host, Grayson Foster. Coming up on the show today, I'll be speaking with two of the top cosmetic dentists in Plantation, Florida, and they also happen to be father and son, Drs. Marc and Eli Schwartz. Dentistry has been a family tradition for over 100 years in the Schwartz family, believe it or not. And Dr. Marc is a graduate from Ohio State University with honors and has been practicing for over 32 years. His son, Dr. Eli Schwartz, is a graduate from Nova Southeastern College of Dental Medicine. We'll be talking about veneers, whitening, and one of the latest advancements in orthodontics for adults, and it's called Invisalign braces. Stay with us, everybody. We'll be right back with Dr. Marc and Dr. Eli Schwartz. Leading Experts starts right now.
Welcome to this edition of Leading Experts. Leading Experts is informative and exciting. Leading Experts interviews authors, speakers, and entrepreneurs in all areas of business, so you become a much more informed consumer.
Welcome back, everybody, to Leading Experts. I'm your host, Grayson Foster. Joining me today on the show are two cosmetic and general dentists who just happen to be father and son, Dr. Marc Schwartz and Dr. Eli Schwartz. Some of today's topics of discussion will include the latest advancements in smile design and the importance of comprehensive dental care. Gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Very happy to have you here. All right, people come to your office, obviously, for cosmetic care. So what options are you able to give your patients?
Well, today there are so many advances to help people look better, more youthful, to have a beautiful smile, healthy smile. And we can offer veneers, crowns, Invisalign, many things that are easy to do and
make
really,
a huge difference.
And make a huge difference.
Yeah. Dr. Eli, I'll let you answer this question then. What is the difference between veneers and crowns? Because I'm sure a lot of people don't know.
Yeah, people come in all the time and they never really know the difference between a veneer and a crown.
Right.
A porcelain crown is basically a piece of porcelain that covers the entire tooth.
Okay.
A veneer is just a very thin piece of porcelain that basically just covers the front portion of the tooth, so you don't have to take away as much tooth structure.
And it's obviously your jobs to guide the patient as to what they need and when and all of that.
Right. Well, we basically tell the patients exactly what we think is best for them, and then from that point on, they kind of help us with their decision.
Now, you brought some great cases with you, so I think your first case we're going to look at is Janine, and we're going to hear from her right now, so we'll listen to her video.
I had porcelain veneers applied to my upper teeth, and it changed my life dramatically because I had very yellowing teeth. I had spaces in them, and I was very insecure in my smile and in my presentation, and in the type of work that I'm in, I deal with a lot of people, and it gave me a lot more self-confidence to approach people and to smile a lot more, and you get a lot of more business when you're smiling. I would recommend Dr. Schwartz and his staff to all of my friends and his family. They did a phenomenal job and took great care of me all the way through.
So would you say that Janine is your biggest fan?
Oh, Janine is absolutely a doll.
Yeah.
She is. She came in and had a real question about her smile because she deals with with people every day in her business, and I offered her the option of really giving her more confidence in her smile with porcelain veneers and a more youthful smile. And I tell you, nobody is a bigger fan than Janine because you can see her after.
It's amazing.
It's just like.
She looks like a movie star to me. I mean, the before and after. Yeah,
Absolutely
and
beautiful.
she literally looks 15 to 20 years younger. It almost doesn't look like the same person.
And she doesn't act like the same person
I
either.
bet.
She just has more confidence, as she said when she came in and talked to us about it. And she tells a lot of people that they can have this also, and sometimes as few as 2 visits.
Now, can you just tell us the story real quickly of how you had a patient in the chair and they were kind of getting scared, and you literally called Janine and she walked the patient through it to kind of give them that confidence. Just tell us that story quick.
You know, there are people who really have trepidation at the last minute.
Right.
As in anything.
Yes.
In buying anything.
Right.
And they came into the office, were just about to have their procedure done, like Janine, and just said, I don't know if I want to do this. We called Janine, where she works at a bank. She was so happy with her results, she left the bank, came to the office and sat down with someone she didn't even know and just talked with them to reassure them that they'll be as happy as she was. And they continued and did their work and actually came out as nice as Johnny.
All right, the next patient we're going to take a look at is Tony, so we'll hear from him right now.
I had a crooked bite, my crooked jawline, and I went to another dentist and had it bonding put on. And I was so self-conscious because I could always see in pictures where the bite was crooked. So I came here and met with Dr. Schwartz, and in 6 months I have a perfectly straight smile. And I get complimented on all the time, so it's kind of funny. So.
Okay, so we just heard from Tony, so now we're going to take a quick look at his photo here.
I tell you, Tony is a fun-loving guy. I mean, he just enjoys life. And after he had experienced some dentistry that he wasn't happy with, he was referred from a friend to us, and he just came in and was distressed by his crooked bite. And it's amazing how in 3 visits we were able to get him into an area where he is absolutely confident and thrilled with himself, using a combination of porcelain veneers and crowns to achieve the goal that he wanted. And you can see, he's just as happy as can be and loves life.
Tony's a happy guy.
Tony's a happy guy.
One of the best things about getting a small makeover is it almost gives you a facelift. And something else that you guys do in conjunction with your cosmetic dentistry is you're now doing fillers and Botox. What impact is that having as well?
Well, I tell you, since doing these for so many years, what has happened is after people get the veneers on and they get a facelift feel because the teeth fill out their face to give them a more natural, fuller smile.
Right.
They look at the pictures after and they used to say, oh gee, that's great, but now I have these wrinkles, and so we now have something to enhance even that procedure. And when we do the Botox and get rid of some of the wrinkles, it just is an added benefit.
All right, doctors, I got to take a break. Stay with us. Leading Experts, we'll be right back.